Hey, what's up guys? So it's time to do a quick speed test comparison between the Huawei P30 Pro and it is up against the Samsung Galaxy A70, as the Huawei P30 Pro is a new beast from the Huawei while the Samsung Galaxy A70 is a mid-range smartphone. The design is almost the same of both of the smartphone, as you can see, and both of the smartphone have got triple rear camera. So in this video we are going to check out the performance of both of the smartphones. So let's start this speed test without wasting any time. So as always, both of the smartphones are totally turned off and I am going to turn them on exactly at the same time and go. And let's see, the Samsung Galaxy A70 logo has come arrive first. Subscribe our channel to get the latest smartphone speed test, comparison, camera test and much more. Let's see who is going to be the winner. Well, the boot up test won by the Huawei P30 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A70 is still taking time. As you can see, the Huawei P30 Pro have got updated version of Android, which is Android 10. So as you can see, everything is closed in the background on both of the phones. So we are going to starting from some basic stuff. So the first one we have got phone dialer. Well, it was faster on P30 Pro. Settings, again faster on the P30 Pro. Moving on towards some third-party actions. So the first one we have got Temple 2, and let's see. As the Huawei P30 Pro have got 8GB of RAM and the Samsung Galaxy A70 have got 6GB of RAM. Well, pretty much faster on the Huawei P30 Pro. KineMaster. Well, again faster on the Huawei P30 Pro. Moving on towards some heavier games. So here we have got PUBG mobile game, and let's see the response from both of the phones. Well, the Huawei P30 Pro started up this game and the Samsung Galaxy A70 is still taking time. Samsung Galaxy A70 is still taking time. Fruit Ninja. Well, faster on the Huawei P30 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A70 is still stuck at the loading. Color switch. Faster on the Huawei P30 Pro. Subway Surfers. Well, pretty much faster on the Huawei P30 Pro. The Huawei P30 Pro is killing the Samsung Galaxy A70. None of the tests won by the Samsung Galaxy A70 yet. And let's see, can the Galaxy A70 come back to the speed test or not? Moving on. Smash it. Faster on the P30 Pro once again. Angry Birds 2. Both are already loading. Well, pretty much faster on the Huawei P30 Pro once again here. Pin out. Again on the P30 Pro, Zedge. Well, again faster on the P30 Pro, So guys, it was a speed test between the Huawei P30 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A70. As you saw here, every test won by the Huawei P30 Pro, and the Samsung Galaxy A70 was left behind in every single test. The design of both of the smartphones is almost the same, and the size, as you can see, but the performance of both of the smartphones is different from each other. The Huawei P30 Pro is pretty much faster as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A70. If you have any question regarding these two smartphones, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching our videos and keep supporting us. Thank you.